Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to set the time on your Casio Waveceptor. This is going to be the model, as you can see right here on the back, WV-58U with the module 3053. So as you can see right here, we are in our home screen, so where we have the time and date displayed. In case you are not in your home screen, make sure to press the mode button until you arrive there. Here I can press and hold the adjust button in order to arrive at the settings. The first one is going to be our home city. I'm going to use the mode button in order to toggle between the different options. Here I have the DST function. I can leave it at auto. Then I can go past that, and the first thing that we can set is going to be the 12 or 24-hour display, so military time. As you can see right here, I have 12 AM, so if I want to switch to military time, I'm going to press the forward button and I'm going to arrive at 0:46. I prefer the 24-hour display. In case you prefer the 12, press it again. I'm going to leave it at 24. I'm going to press the mode button once again. Here we can reset the seconds to 0. Then I'm going to move forward, and here we can set the hours. You can either go one by one, or you can press and hold in order to speed scroll. This is going to be a lot easier. You can also press the light button in order to go in the opposite direction, and you can also speed scroll again if you press and hold. So let's make it 20 and 30. I'm going to press the mode button once again. Now I can go backwards, just like that, and just one unit forward, 20, 30. Now if I press the mode button once again, I can also set the date, the year, the month, and so on. So in case you want to watch the full guide with all the functions and features, I'm going to leave a link in the description box below, so make sure to check it out. You can also keep on pressing the mode button and you are going to have all the settings displayed right here. And then we are going to cycle back from the beginning. So I'm going to arrive once again at setting the 12/24-hour display, the seconds, the hours, and the minutes. In order to finalize the process, I'm going to press the adjust button, and voila, now I have the time set correctly. Once again, I'm going to leave a link in the description box below with all the functions and settings of this particular watch, because there are plenty and you are going to want to watch that full video. Link in the description box below. In case you enjoyed this video, guys, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel, it really means a lot. I post a lot of videos about watches, vintage watches, watch tutorials, and watch reviews, so it is going to be very fun here. And in case you would like to purchase your first vintage watch, make sure to check out our website, vintageradar.com, because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale. Link in the description box below. Like, subscribe, and I'm going to see you guys in the next video.